The Honda Odyssey has a center console box and folding rear console box with many convenience and connectivity features. The front console box has 2 beverage holders for any size cup or thermos. There's a console compartment with sliding door to hide valuables such as tablets and phones. A built-in wireless charging pad means no special cables are required to charge your phone while driving. Just place the compatible smartphone on the pad. Always make sure that coins, credit cards, magnetic recording devices, and other objects are clear of the charging pad and the surface is dust-free. A green light will turn on while charging and off when complete. This drawer is a perfect storage place for things like Blu-rays, DVDs, CDs, or anything else you may need convenient access to. Between the front seats, there is even a handy spot to store a purse or other items. At the rear of the center console box, accessible to the passengers in the second row, are additional chargers. There is an HDMI port for video games or video equipment to connect to the rear entertainment system. The folding rear console offers multiple beverage holders in different sizes to accommodate almost any size beverage and an area for snacks or other items. To fold the rear console down, just pull on the strap. The Honda Odyssey, offering all the conveniences drivers and passengers will need.